Most of us, we put limitations on ourselves as humans. We think that 10 or 15 is enough. There's more in you. There's always more in you. There's always 5 more reps. And I think with that kind of mentality, you can get through anything. You get through a hard, heavy leg workout, no problem. But you have to make a promise to yourself initially. You have to really be quiet, be still, turn off the internet, turn off your iPhone, turn it all off. Forget about Facebook, forget about Instagram, and forget about all this stuff for a second. Be still, if that's possible. Be really, really still. Make a promise to yourself. Promise yourself that you will never just give a little bit. You will always give it everything you got. If you can do that, if you can really promise yourself that and marry yourself with that promise, you'll get through any leg day. I know it. I mean, the last 50 years I've been getting through leg day. But yeah, I am nervous, and my palms are sweating, and I'm scared to death before I go up to the bar because I know what it's going to happen. But I allow myself to prepare very slowly. And when I walk into the gym, all I think to myself is I'm going to do maybe 1, maybe 2 sets of squats. Once I get into the movement, and once I start feeling the rhythm and the music of the movement, I allow myself to get more energized, and I go to where I went when I was real quiet the week or 2 before. And I go there and I enter that room. And once you enter that room, I mean, anything's possible. When you enter that room to where you will give it everything you got, I mean, results are forthcoming. The results will happen no matter what.